Hello, everyone. How's it going? Sorry, I'm a bit late today from kicking this off. I probably will have to push this. Just the general start time, probably back half an hour. I'll make sure I do that next time. Just have a few too many commitments in the morning. But today, I am keen to just deep dive into MCP. I want to just go like MCP all day until we figure out how to make it work. So I've been meaning to do this for a long time. I'm just so caught up with a lot of other development work that I'm doing that I just haven't had the time to really dive into it. So what we're going to do, hold on, let me just create another window here so that I don't overlap. What we're going to do is we're just going to, I'm going to figure out MCP until I cannot go any further. That's basically my goal today. So that's what we're going to do. That is what we're going to do. And we're going to learn a lot about MCP along the way. We're just going to like keep prompting AI until we actually get it, until we completely get it. Okay. Let me just extend this out. So the main, I also saw today that ChatGPT will be bringing out something very, very soon on this. And so it just shows you how crucial this is to just get on this, to absolutely get on this. As soon as it goes into ChatGPT, it's going to be huge. Like what I'm kind of figuring out with software right now is a lot of software is going to move towards these AI platforms, right? It truly is. It's going to move to these AI platforms. And what you've got is like 1 billion people using these AI tools already, right? And so as soon as you build something quality, or as soon as something gets opened up like a marketplace or something like that, you're going to see some of the fastest growing software ever, because you have this ready-made market just sitting there, right? Look, it's going to be competitive, no doubt, but it's going to be absolutely fascinating what grows quickly through these channels, right? Is it going to be existing? Is it going to be new? So we've got to get onto this. I mean, I'm just determined to really master MCP. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to deep dive into it today. If you have any questions throughout, please feel free to jump in. I can only actually go for a couple of hours today as well, so I can't do like 4 hours at the moment. The intention with these is to go like a bit longer, go for 4, sometimes 5 hours, but I can't do that. I can't do that today. Okay. So Claude is where I want to do it, right? And so I've tried this a few times and it's just not that easy. Now, let's just refine. I'm going to refine what we're going to do here. all I want to do is I want to connect my Supabase, because I've seen other people do this. I want to my Supabase account, right? Which I'm a big user of right now. I want to have my Supabase account within Claude. I want to be able to connect to it through Claude, right? Okay. So my guess is we need to connect apps, right? Okay, so we can connect these things. I've connected GitHub. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's just go through. Okay, let's just quickly just get an overview of web search. Okay. Please give me an overview of how MCP works in Claude. Yes, you need to do a search. You need to do a search. You do have internet access. Okay. I've enabled web access. Can you please search through the documents or other things to tell me about MCP inside of Claude. Okay, let me get more specific information. What works with Claude desktop? Okay, so does it not work with, maybe we need desktop? Based on my research, here's a comprehensive overview. MCP is an open protocol that standardizes how applications provide context to LLMs. Think about MCP as a USC port, so like a port for AI applications. Okay, MCP hosts programs like Claude desktop IDEs or AI tools that want to access data through MCP. Protocol clients that maintain one-to-one connections. Lightweight programs. Okay. Okay, maybe it's in Claude desktop, which I think I have, by the way. Connect Claude to your local file system, access external data sources, use pre-built MCP servers. We can build our own MCP servers? Well, that's crazy. Okay. Use MCP connectors directly. Okay. Okay. Can I use this with Claude online, or do I have to use the desktop client? Okay, we can use it online as well. May 1st. Okay. Okay. Claude is very different to ChatGPT, isn't it? It's good. I like having something different, actually. Add integrations. Okay. Go to setting integrations. Services like Zapier. Start using Claude with connected tools. Okay, so our goal is to connect Superbase. Okay, that's what we want to do. Okay, connects Claude to your data tools. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do actually, I want to go back, and I want to. I'm gonna add this to. No. I want a new tab. So I want to keep asking questions. Okay, add integration. Okay, I want to add Superbase to this, but I'm not quite sure what to do next. Can you please help me? Superbase is a Postgres database platform that I should be able to connect here. you'll need to set up an MCP server for it. Let me search the web. Superbase definitely has it, because I've seen other people do this, and Brian Julius has been doing this a lot. Get your Superbase personal access token. Okay, I think I've done this before actually. Okay, I'm going to do this in a different window so you don't see my personal access token. Yeah. Okay, so I need to set up my personal access token. Really, I need to deploy it. In the form you showed me, you'll need Superbase, the URL where your MCP server is running. Okay, this is a little bit confusing. Why do I need to set up my own server? And I have a lot of servers at Netlify. Could I just use something there, or do I need to set up the places you're saying above? I'm absolutely right to be confused. Yes, it is confusing. What you see in the dropdown, integrations using remote MCP are now available. The list below includes integrations. Used to use a hosted MCP server. Netlify option, yes, you could use it. Okay. Deploy the Superbase MCP server code. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I have a lot of Netlify things we could use. Can you please? Also, does this mean I can host? Like, does this MCP server, does it become available to many connections, or do I need a new server every time I have a connection? So could I use this server to connect Superbase, but various other applications I'm creating as well? Okay, let's just log in here. See, this is where you usually sort of just give up, but I'm not going to give up today. We are going to keep going and going and going until we figure this out. Yeah, see, I could use this one, I guess. I'm not actually using this one. Customize. Okay, why don't I call this Enterprise DNA MCP server. Okay, so this is going to be called Enterprise DNA MCP server now. Okay, so multiple connections, yes. One MCP server can handle multiple connections. MCP clients, protocol clients that maintain one-to-one connections. Current MCP servers are often single user running on a dev's machine or a single endpoint. Your Superbase MCP server can solve multiple apps, okay? Okay, this is going to be a very iterative process, I think. Okay, you're going to have to walk me through this step by step. I really am a bit lost, have no idea what I'm doing. So you need to, you see here that I've set up a new server on Netlify, and you can see that in the image. I have a URL, but I haven't really set anything else up. I guess I need to build like a function you mentioned above for Superbase, but you'll have to help me out on this a little bit more. I think I should probably do this on GitHub, I think. We're creating a Netlify function that acts as a bridge between Claude and your Superbase account. Think of it like a translator that speaks Claude language and Superbase language. You need to set up a few files in your project. Yes, I do have VS Code. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, well, we're going to have to move on to, we're going to have to move into an IDE now. And I'm going to use Windsurf because I like Windsurf. So I'm going to share my whole screen here. Just give me a moment. Okay, so I am a big fan of Windsurf, right? Okay, so I just got a few things open. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so we do need to create something here. Okay, so hold on, let's just go in here. Okay. Enterprise DNA MCP server. Okay, so let's just select this folder. This is just going to give us like a blank canvas basically. And then we're going to, okay, so I'm going to copy this whole thing. Copy as markdown. No, I don't want to do that. Copy. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to go back into Windsurf here, I think. Paste. Please follow these steps exactly and help me set up my MCP server. Please work through every step sequentially and create all the files we need. Okay, so this is why I love Windsurf. It's just the AI just makes things pretty darn easy, right? I mean, a lot of times we're just like getting AIs to talk to AIs. Boom. Okay, already done. Okay, let's have a look. So what did we ask? We asked it to do functions, MCP.js. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's just go to GitHub and let's just set something up here as well. GitHub. Okay, we'll go new. Let's just call this MC DNA MCP server private create repo. Okay, then I just copy that. Please do a full commit to the main branch of this new online GitHub repo. I mean, you'll notice a few things that I am rarely typing at. I'm very rarely typing. I am using AI to do most things just so much faster. Okay, it's going to create in a main branch because we don't even have a main branch in here. Okay. Okay, so we'll just update this. Boom. Okay, we're in here. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now we need to go. So, okay. Okay, now I have already created the GitHub repo with all of this in it. I still need to create the personal access token. What I've done is I've done it through a local code editor, pushed it to GitHub. Now I need to connect that to Netlify, I presume. And then where do I actually enter the personal access token? Okay, let's just see. Let's see what it comes back with here. Oh, did I not get that in? Or did I? Okay, connect GitHub to Netlify in your Netlify dashboard. Okay, so let's just go and do that first. Okay, so what I need to do, deploy settings, link repo, GitHub. Enterprise DNA server, deploy server. Okay. Okay, so that's now deploying, so that's good. Okay, we're making some progress here. Okay, go to site settings. Yep, okay, done that. Okay, get your access token, click generate new token, name it Netlify MCP server, okay. Okay. Okay, add token to Netlify. Okay, let me just make sure I don't lose this. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is the key part. In your Netlify dashboard, go to Site Settings, Netlify Dashboard, Site Settings. Environment variables, add a variable. Okay, what is it saying to call it? It's saying to call it the Superbase Access Token. Okay. Create variable. Okay, I've done that. Redeploy. After adding the environment, go to Deploys tab. Trigger deploy. Deploys. Trigger deploy. Deploy project. Okay. Wow. Okay. If this is it, we're doing well. We're doing very well. Test your MCP server. Okay. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, I'm following all the steps here and have made progress, but have got to this point. I've put in the URL and I'm seeing this. We need to fix the JavaScript syntax. Okay, and this one. I need you to make the following changes below to the relevant files to get this working. Okay. What this does now, get request returns a simple server is running message. Okay. Okay, let's just see what this does now. Yes, please push all updates to the main branch of the GitHub repo. Okay, we can just see if this has been done. Yep. Okay, so it's made an update. Okay, so this should trigger a deploy. Yep, see it's building now. Okay, so we'll just see what this does. Okay, it's published. So let's now try this out, eh? Okay, we have some success here. MCP server is running. Okay, wow. Okay, this is exciting. Okay, it looks like we're making some serious progress here. So returning back to Superbase now, how do I get this working inside of Claude, or how do I make that connection? Okay, my server is running. Now let's connect it to Claude. Okay, let's go back here then. So let's go Superbase. I guess we need to do this, right? Click add. Okay. Testing the connection. Start a new conversation with Claude. Click the tools icon again. Connect the Superbase integration. Right now, our MCP is a basic Hello World version. Once we confirm Claude can connect to it, we'll need to add the actual Superbase functionality. Okay. Okay, let's start a new chat here. Search tools. Okay, hold on, disabled. Why? Why is it disabled? Oh no. Okay, I see it and it's there, but doesn't have much functionality. Also, it says it's disabled when I try to start a new chat, so I can't actually try anything. I can't try connecting to it. I don't know, maybe we need to do something else here. Okay. The issue is that our current server is just a Hello World version. It's not providing actual Superbase tools yet. That's why you see, okay. Updates the file. Okay. Okay, now I really want to get this set up for Supabase and all of the things that I want to be able to connect to any project that I have in Supabase. I believe that if we use something like the below, this will be enabled. But can we please just get everything working around Supabase? Everything else is set up. We just need to make sure that we build all the right functionality within that. Okay, let's just see what Windsurf comes back with here. Okay, I wonder if this is going to let me do anything with the API. That's what I want to do, right? But yes, please commit all these changes right now. Okay, this is all done now. Okay, let's also deploy this now. Okay, so it's building. Check the URL again. Okay. Tools available 3. Okay, good. Okay, so let's go back to the integration now. Tools and settings. No, nothing. Let's just refresh. Okay, we'll just keep asking here. Disconnect. You'll see here that I've done everything you've said. I do see now tools available, but then I go to Claude integrations and capabilities, and there's still nothing showing. No, don't give me code. I want. It's just not showing up, is it? No, I'm not doing that. No, I don't want to do this because what we are doing is right. What is wrong? I don't want to have to redo code every single time. Just tell me what is going on. What could be going on? Just tell me. Could be caching it. Okay, so why don't we just remove. Okay, so here we can use the power of the connections here. Why can I not see that? Connected. Is there a refresh or something? This is so annoying. It's okay, culprit. Okay, I've already taken the connection away and also refreshing it. I'm also trying to connect to our new GitHub file as well, but it seems like the GitHub connection is cached also. How do I refresh that? Disconnect GitHub completely. No, I don't want to log out. Okay, I'll try one more time. Okay, the connection is not working, so we need to review what we're doing here. All I did was I used the exact code you gave me last time, so I don't know why it's wrong. I'm just following instructions that you gave me. You never told me about a Superbase MCP server, so I have really no idea why you're telling me this now. So it's very confusing. You told me to do this. Okay, let's look at the function logs. Okay, so logs functions. CP 9 minutes ago. This is what I'm seeing here in the function logs. Can you please review this here and maybe just do a detailed overview of like how we can use this functionality from Superbase to quickly get this going? Yeah, this is what I want. I don't know what the hell what it was doing. Okay, so we need Claude Desktop. Okay, let's just do this now. This is actually the issue I had last time. I couldn't even log in with Google. Skype. Okay, now I'm in Claude Code. Okay, and I'm in, sorry, not Claude Code, I'm in Claude Desktop. Okay, the official, okay. Yes, tell me exactly what to do. I have Claude Desktop open. I have it ready to go. So just tell me exactly what I need to do. I have my personal access token all ready to go as well. So just tell me the simplest way I can get this going. Settings, click developer. Settings. Integrations, I presume. Settings, click developer, edit config. Don't see that anywhere. Currently, I do not see this developer that you're telling me I should see. No, I'm not in Claude Online. Shit. I'm not in Claude Online. This is Claude Desktop. I'm in Claude Desktop. Upgrade plan. Am I in the wrong plan? Is it the problem? No, I should be able to connect through MCP. I'm very surprised you don't even know your own interface. Tell me where developer is. I do not see developer anywhere. Also, we're creating a MCP. We're going through the Superbase server. I mean, this is the only. Integrations. Add integrations. I do not see anything that you are describing. All I see in integrations is the ability to do this. This is all I see. Is it up here? Ah, okay. I don't know. Is it? Settings. Aha! Got it. Okay, found it. Okay, edit config. Okay. Found it. I found it. No. Okay, I found it. Okay, I actually found it and I have updated the config file as per the below. So that is now set up. What do I do from here? Claude desktop. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to remove this one. Okay, let's test it in. Man, they need to make this so much easier. This is ridiculous. How hard this still is. I've done everything you've told me, and still it is not working. Stupid thing. Right. Well, I'm not going to give up. We are going to find a way to get this going. I mean, man, this needs to be made just so much easier. This is ridiculous. No one's going to pursue this. Now I can't even get Claude Desktop working. Maybe I've got too many things open. I don't know. I mean, now it doesn't even open. I mean, you've got to be kidding me. Control Alt Space. Claude settings. Configure. Okay, done that. Developer. Edit config. Okay, it's in there. I've done absolutely everything you have told me. I've set it up exactly as you have said, and it is still not working. I have set up the config file. It has the Superbase server in it. So what could be wrong now? Why can I still not connect to anything? Okay, come on, let's go. Looking at your config, 1% issue. Open terminal and run this, okay? Okay, fine, I'll do that. I'll do what you say. No. God, this is ridiculous. I have again done everything you've asked and said to do, and it's still not working. I'm not getting any error messages when I do the Superbase server. I have quit Claude Desktop twice now and then reopened, and still it does not pick up anything. Why do I keep seeing nothing here in the developer, even though I have the file, the JSON file has been updated. Why does this never update for me in the developer section? Okay, it's not reading my config file. Okay, the issue, wrong config file location. You're on Windows, but Claude Desktop is not finding it. Yes, I've done that. Okay, I've done this multiple times now and it doesn't work. I've done all this. No, I'm not going back. No. Maybe I've got it at the wrong place. I don't know. Maybe I've got it in the wrong place. I mean, well, I think I've saved configs. I mean, if I go here, right? I go developer, edit config. I mean, I have my config here, right? Like this is where I have it. It's a JSON file. It's named exactly as it's said to name it. So I don't know. God, this is unstable, isn't it? I can't even get it going. I just close the file of configs. Okay, close it. You think that could be it, maybe? Well, I did have it open, so that could be it. Let's see. Get this damn thing working. Have you actually got one working? Is that you've Henny? Have you actually got one working? What? No. Ridiculous. Wow, this is a crap piece of software. I can't even get it working. What is going on? There is no way they would roll this out to ChatGPT users the way it is. No way. Reload. I'm running the latest version and I can't even see anything. I think I did save it. I'm pretty sure I did, but I mean, I can't even fucking find it. So like settings, developer, edit config. Like if I go on here, you see that is saved, like it is there. It is there. New chat. That's freaking hopeless. Okay. I have set everything up exactly as you have asked and said for the server. Okay. I've gone to the developer tab in desktop. I have edited the config is exactly where you said it should be. I have saved it multiple times. I've closed down Claude Desktop 3 times. I'm not going to do a custom server. I just want this to work. Figure out what is going on and solve it. Okay, so it's right. I've got this right. I ran that and got exactly as I thought I should. You have all the details to connect to Superbase, so why are you not connecting? Can you go to text? There is not a config file, but something that starts with. Oh no, that's just my Superbase personal access token. So that's fine. It's just my access token, which I need to put into that thing, which I do. This will start Claude Desktop. Okay. I'm going to do as you say. Okay. I already have Claude Desktop open, right? So I don't know why I'm having to do this. I believe everything is working as it should be. Okay, so I go to the developer, settings, developer, nothing. Jesus Christ. Nothing is showing up. Why? No, I'm not doing that. I have the latest version of Claude Desktop. I just updated it just before, so I'm not reverting back to this other strategy. We need to fix this one. Maybe this is the problem because I never actually see any success with this. Could it be the wrong thing? I don't know. Looks right. Sorry, team. It's not that exciting, is it? But this is what we've got to do. This is what we've got to do. We've just got to figure it out. There's no way it expired. I got it freaking half an hour ago. Okay, for some reason, when I put in the Superbase token and access into PowerShell, it never actually does anything. I never have any error messages or successes. Control C. Broken Superbase MCP server package. The MCP server package is broken. You need to get your Superbase database connection to Superbase project. Okay. Could be right. I mean, it is the connection I find on Windsurf is not that good. Project review password. Okay, so go to Superbase, select your project. Okay, so I've got a Superbase. Okay, I'm going to go, let's do this one I've been working on quite a bit. Content lead, project settings, project ID. Update your config file. I'm just going to unshare my screen for a second. Just give me a second. Stop screen share. Okay, let's give this a go. Close, yep. Okay. God. No, it does not show me anything. Nothing has changed. I've done exactly what you said, and nothing has changed. Wow, this is ridiculous. Exit. Oh my God, I think here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Can you see my Superbase projects now? Do I need to select it? Q. Do I do it? What about Q? Okay, let's just take an image here because it looks like we've had some progress. Okay, I think we've had some progress here. I now see a Superbase connection. So what am I doing to actually get this to work? Because I'm still asking, can you look at the project, but it's not giving me anything. Okay, I'll just connect up my screen again here. Hold a second. Okay, I am connected, so I don't know what else you want me to do. Can you look at my Superbase connection that we have, and can you tell me how many tables or what are the table names we have in that connection? my God. Okay, I have a connection. You can see here in the images, I have a connection. I have got it all set up, but then I ask in Claude Desktop how to connect or give me some details, and then it gives me nothing. It is not the wrong password. There's no way. The problem I keep having is it just doesn't seem like I'm connecting to Superbase at all. Like I get nothing here. I get nothing not working and nothing is working. It's just not connecting. Settings database. Select your project for connection string. Connection string has moved. You can find project connection details by clicking connect. Okay. Direct connection. Okay. It's exactly the same. Okay, let's just wait. Yeah. From what I can see right now, they both just hang. Nothing seems to work. Okay. This is what I got when I tried to do that. Okay, it seems like the issue, network connectivity issue. No, I'm not using Claude Online. I am not using Claude Online. Add your Netlify server. There's no reason why my server I should not be able to connect to the server. No reason. There is zero reason why I should not be able to connect to Superbase here. There's no firewalls. There's nothing. There is nothing here where I am currently located. All of this worked. It is kind of amazing that they've not sort of just made this one click, isn't it? Like the average data person or developer is not going to, well, maybe they would, I don't know. Developers have a tendency to figure stuff out, but so an issue with the database itself. No, there's no way. That's not right. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's right. This hanging is just freaking weird. Okay, so it's going directly to the AWS one. This works. Excellent. Okay. Okay, I think I've already done this, but anyway, let's just give it a whirl. Settings, developer. Oh wow, okay, it's finally come up. Edit config. Save, okay. Save, you silly thing. Save. Okay, maybe it just takes like a bit of time to populate or something. I don't know. Okay, but this is, I haven't seen this before, so this is positive. Okay, so I'm going to exit. Okay. Should it connect straight away? Because it still feels like it kind of hangs for a little while. Yeah, so it hangs. It's so weird. Okay, I think it's actually it's actually working. Yeah, it is actually working. You would not believe it. Wow. Finally. Finally. Oh my God. How was that? Okay, wow. I think we finally got it working. Is there any reason why you think, do you think if we've got this working, is there anything stopping us from trying to also connect to all of our database projects? Okay, great. Okay, wow. Okay, this is good. Finally. Can you please tell me a little bit more about the brand strategy table? yeah, what we really want to do though is we want to connect to, fantastic, okay, connecting to multiple projects. Yes, you can definitely connect to multiple Superbase projects. Option 1, multiple MCP servers. Okay, so I'd have to get all the project names. Okay. I actually have about 12 real database projects at the moment. Okay, so I need this for each project. Okay. Okay, I might do that later. Okay, I'm going to round off this live stream because I have to go on another call right now. I think. 1 second. Yep, I got to go on another call. But okay, so I've got something working. So that took 2 hours, but it's a start at least. Okay, next time we get on, we obviously won't have to fiddle around with it that much, and I'll have more connected as well. I'll examine the structure and content of the brand strategy. Okay, so it's doing SQL here. Okay, that's pretty cool. The brand strategy table is designed to guidelines. Okay, cool. So now I want to ask, can you calculate how many posts have actually been completed so far? So how many actual posts? I think you probably have to look up the content history table. So we'll see if I can actually do calculations. So yeah, wow, okay, that's awesome. Yeah, this is what I want, right? This is what I want. I want to connect all of my projects, and I want to be able to do analytics on all of my projects, like just by me asking questions like this, right? Because this is the future of analytics for sure. For sure. Okay, I'm going to round off and we will do this again next time. Thanks all.